What are lasers good for, first in science? I think lasers can find things in the sky, right? Very good. I think that's my answer.
What do I think lasers are used for in a scientific way? That is a really tough question because lasers are being found to be useful in more and more ways. They're used from everything from measuring distance to studying wavelength.
I believe lasers are used for accurate measurements in science. They can also be used for precise cutting, and I also believe they're used to measure spatial relationships, especially with distances in outer space.
Science lasers are used for surgery or play with animals.
Well, I think so they'd be used for light shows.
Are used as precision measuring instruments for one thing.
Scientists use lasers and they shoot them up into the sky.
It's so obvious that lasers have so many uses in the world.
Like, what are they used for? They're used for cutting things.
Well, they're used for astronomy and the atmosphere.
How are you using them for that stuff, though? It can cut things. What else do you need them for?
To see the stars and discover.
How does it do that?
You point and it's there.
Yeah, you can use a finger and go like, look at that.
No, but then if you go look at that with your finger and someone's standing over here, what am I pointing at?
Lasers are used for cutting things. It's simple to see what they can do by looking.
Are you crazy?
I'm not the one who's crazy. You are going on and on about all this stuff that doesn't matter. They are used for cutting.
Do you even know what laser stands for?
Light.
Amplification.
Bistimulator.
Emission. Of radiation. Lasers.
Munkh Baasandorj. I'm a research scientist at NOAA. I do gas phase kinetics measurement. We live in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. Ulaanbaatar is the capital of Mongolia. I have a sister, older sister, and younger brother, and my parents. Yeah, they all live in Mongolia.
Do you miss them?
I do. So that every laser, depending on what output do you want to have, you use some premix. So like every one of them has different premixes, the gas premix. It's the output that you want to have, but the quality of the beam is the alignment of the mirrors, how like clean your mirrors are. But if you have if your mirrors have some dirt on it, then you will get low laser power. So yeah. Of those chips, because these are you could just starting from 0, you could count up to 100, right? So it's just getting some numbers, and yeah, I think math is very important. At least it was very important for me. Before I could do any physics or chemistry, yeah, I had to really learn math, and I really liked it, and it kind of inspired me to go further in science.
Planets. What are your names?
I'm Planet Teddy.
I'm Planet Bear. Together we're Planet's
Teddy Bear. Oh, so do you guys know that I learned a lot about you because of the lasers at my lab?
I told you so.
I'm sorry I didn't listen to you.
make our mixtures. So you wanna, if you wanna study a compound, right, you need to know the concentration of the compound. So for that, if you just get a pure compound, it's too much. So we kind of dilute it in those bulbs. So it's basically, the air has nitrogen, right? A lot of it is just nitrogen, but this is liquid, so it's really cold. It's very cold. So if we want to cool something, we use this one. So you guys can see that. Cool first the lime, and then
Oh, that's
see how cold
freezing.
it's like if it touches your hand,
It's like a freezer in here.
yeah. It's that's so weird.
Filling it out.
Everything is orange.